ఒకసారి చదవండి, మీరు చదవండి ఒకసారి క్వశ్చన్. Read once the question.
5 cards.
5 cards.
Then
Okay, anyone read.
5 cards. The 10 Jack, Queen, King, and Ace of Diamonds are well shuffled with face downwards. One card is selected at random.
ఓకే, 5 కార్డ్స్ ఉన్నాయి ఇక్కడ. ఒకటి 10, క్వీన్, జాక్, కింగ్, అండ్ ఏస్, రైట్?
Yes, sir.
These are the 5 cards we have. ఓకే, 5 కార్డ్స్ ఏమేమి ఉన్నాయి చెప్పండి.
10,
Queen, Jack, King, Ace.
ఎస్. ఇప్పుడు వాడు అడిగిన క్వశ్చన్ ఏంటి చెప్పండి. వాట్ ఈస్ ద ప్రాబిలిటీ?
that the card is Queen.
వాట్ షుడ్ బి ద ఆన్సర్? ఆన్సర్ గెస్ చేయండి ఒకసారి. మీరు ఆన్సర్ ఏం రావచ్చు గెస్ చేయండి, నాకు చెప్పండి ఫాస్ట్ గా. గెస్ ద ఆన్సర్. అంటే ఇప్పుడు ఈ 5 కార్డ్స్ లో నుంచి ఒక కార్డు తీస్తే అది క్వీన్ అవ్వడానికి ప్రాబబిలిటీ ఎంత?
1
వాట్
by
షుడ్ బి ద
sir.
ప్రాబిలిటీ? హౌ మచ్?
1 by 5.
1 by 5, sir.
Yes,
1 by 5,
yes,
sir.
correct. Yes, correct answer. 1 by 5 is the right answer. Why?
Yes,
Because
sir.
the probability of getting a queen కదా మనం ఆన్సర్ చేయాల్సింది.
Yes, sir.
Okay, what is the probability formula? Tell me.
Number of
Favorable number of people by total
Yeah.
number of outcomes.
Okay, number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes.
Total number of
outcome.
సో మనకి క్వీన్ కి సంబంధించి ఫేవరబుల్ గా ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి?
10.
నో, క్వీన్ కి
sir.
సంబంధించి 1 కార్డ్ ఫేవరబుల్ గా ఉంది మనకి. టోటల్
Yes,
కార్డ్స్
sir.
5. That's
5.
why the answer is
5.
1 by 5. Next question చూడండి. Second question.
If the queen is drawn and put aside, what is the probability that the second card picked up is?
ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు క్వీన్ వచ్చింది కదా, ఆ క్వీన్ తీసి పక్కకు పెట్టేద్దాం. ఓకే, క్వీన్ ఈస్ కీపింగ్ ఇట్ సైడ్. దెన్ ద రిమైనింగ్ కార్డ్స్ ఆర్
4, sir.
Jack,
ఎస్ 4 కార్డ్స్, రైట్, కరెక్ట్. జాక్ అండ్ 10 అండ్ కింగ్ అండ్ ఏస్, అంతేనా?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If the queen is selected and put aside without replacement, we are not replacing the queen again. We are not putting the queen into the same these 5 cards. We are keeping aside. What is the probability the second card is selected and as? అంటే ఏస్ రావడానికి ప్రాబిలిటీ ఎంత? What is the probability of getting an ace? Guess the answer.
1 by 4, sir.
Yes, correct. 1 by 4. Correct enough?
Yes, sir.
ఇప్పుడు ఉన్న కార్డ్ లో నుంచి చూసుకోవాలి మనం, అంతే కదా? క్వీన్ తీసేసాం కాబట్టి now the total number of outcomes are 4. What is the formula of probability? Same formula you will write here again.
Number of favorable
I am
outcomes by number of
Yes,
outcomes.
favorable outcomes are 1, total outcomes are 4. 1 by
4.
4. Next question ఏం అడిగాడు చూడండి. What is the probability of getting a queen అన్నాడు, అవునా?
Yes, sir.
Okay, how many queens are there in this? Any queens?
No, no, sir.
No, sir.
No. So what is the answer? 0 by
4. 4.
probability of getting a queen is nothing but 0 by 4.
0 by 4.
That is nothing but 0. 0 by something is always 0. It is an impossible event, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, copy this. Every time you mention the formula, okay? Whenever you are solving a problem, write the formula, then write the answer down.
Okay,
Here
sir.
also you write the formula. Probability of is nothing but number of favorable and total outcomes.
Completed, sir.
Completed,
So
sir.
what is the next question we have? Next question.
Twelve defective pens are accidentally mixed with 132 good ones. It is not possible to just look at a pen and tell whether or not it is defective. One pen is taken out and at random from this lot. Determine the probability that the pen taken out is a good one.
Okay. 12 defective pens are accidentally mixed with 132 good ones, right? So how many good pens? Good pens are nothing but 132.
132.
Yes, sir. 132.
Defective pens are 12, right?
12. 12.
Total how many pens?
144.
144.
Yes. Total pens వచ్చేసి 144, right? Good. So మనకి total number of outcomes now 144. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now see the question. We are selecting one pen randomly from that box. ఆ బాక్స్ లో నుంచి ఒక్కొక్క పెన్ తీస్తా ఉన్నాం ఇలా just picking each one pen randomly. So then what is the question is asking? The probability that pen taken out is a good one. అంటే ఆ తీసిన పెన్ను మంచి పెన్ అవ్వడానికి ఎంత ప్రాబిలిటీ ఉంటుంది? సో ద ప్రాబిలిటీ ఆఫ్ గెటింగ్ ఏ గుడ్ పెన్. Getting a good pen. Okay. What is the probability formula? Tell me.
Number of favorable
outcomes by total number of outcomes.
Yes, number of favorable outcomes by
Total
outcomes.
number of outcomes.
Yes, correct. Okay, the probability of event. So for our question, how many good pens are there?
132.
130.
Yes. Total pens?
144.
This is the probability of getting a good pen. Cancellation is possible. Which table? 2 table it will go.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
2 6
Two.
times it is 12, and again 2 6
One.
times is 12.
7.
2 7s
Two.
are 14.
2.
2 2s are.
7 2s, sir.
Yes.
Sir,
Sir,
again,
then no need to add defective pens, sir.
What is the question is asking? Is he asking the question about good ones, right?
Yes, sir.
So then no need about defective pens.
Okay, sir. Thank
Next.
you, sir. Again, it's possible, sir.
Yes,
11 by
again
2.
possible. 3 11 times and 3 12 times.
3
11
12
by
times.
12.
11 by 12 is the final answer
Yes, sir.
after simplification. If the question is like this, what is the probability of getting a defective pen? Then you tell me the answer.
12 by
What is the problem?
144.
Yes, 12 by 144. When the question is like that, what is the probability of getting a defective pen?
Defective pens.
Yes, correct. So according to the question, we have to write the answer. Okay.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
First, we have to read the given question. We have to understand it. What question is asking exactly? For that only we should answer. Okay, copy this.
Completed, sir.
Completed, both of you.
Yes, sir.
What is the next question we have? Read out.
A lot of 20 bulbs contains 4 defective ones. One bulb is drawn at random from a lot. What is the probability that this bulb is defective? Suppose the bulb drawn in previous case it is not defective and it is not replaced. Bulb is drawn random from the rest. What is the probability that the bulb is not defective?
Okay. A lot of 20 bulbs contain 4 defective ones, right? So total bulbs are 20, right?
Yes, sir.
That is 20 given. In which how many are defective?
4.
4, sir.
4 defective. That is equal to 4. How many good bulbs? How many good ones? Tell me.
Good bulbs. 24.
Not given.
No. Total bulbs are 20, right?
24. 24, sir.
Okay. What I'm asking the question you understood, right? మన దగ్గర 20
Yes, sir.
బల్బులు ఉన్నాయి, దాంట్లో 4 బాలేవు,
Defective.
డిఫెక్టివ్ ఉన్నాయి. సో ఇప్పుడు ఎన్ని మంచి ఉన్నాయి దాంట్లో?
20.
16.
16, రైట్. మన దగ్గర మొత్తం ఎన్ని బల్బ్స్ ఉన్నాయి?
Okay, sir. 20, sir.
20 ఓన్లీనా? 20 ఉన్నాయి, దాంట్లో 4 బాలేవు అంటే 16 మంచిగా ఉన్నట్టే కదా?
16. Yes, sir.
Yes, 16 plus 4 together 20,
Okay, sir.
right? It should not exceed, అంటే మన దగ్గర ఉన్న బల్బ్స్ కంటే ఎక్కువ అవ్వకూడదు కదా. ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు క్వశ్చన్ ఏమడిగాడు చూద్దాం. వాట్ ఇస్ ద ప్రాబిలిటీ దట్ దిస్ బల్బ్ ఇస్ డిఫెక్టివ్? ఓకే, ద ప్రాబిలిటీ ఆఫ్ గెటింగ్ ఎ డిఫెక్టివ్ బల్బ్. Tell me, what is the probability of getting a defective bulb?
4, sir.
4 by
40.
4 by
40.
40.
20. 4 by 20.
Yes.
Sir.
Defective bulbs are 4, total bulbs are 20.
20.
20.
4 by 20. That will give you the
20.
answer. 4 one time, 4 5 times. 1 by 5 after
5 times.
simplification. Yes. Up to here you copy fast. This one you write. This part.
Yes, sir.
Completed, sir.
Esma completed.
Completed. Sir.
Completed.
Okay. In that only one more question is also there, right? ఇంకో క్వశ్చన్ కూడా ఉంది కదా దాంట్లోనే. ఫస్ట్
Yes,
క్వశ్చన్
sir.
ఏమన్నాడు? ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ చేసాం మనం ఇప్పుడు. ఫస్ట్
sir.
క్వశ్చన్ ఏం అడిగాడంటే వాట్ ఈస్ ద ప్రాబిలిటీ దట్ ద బల్బ్ ఇస్ డిఫెక్టివ్ అన్నాడు, అది అయిపోయింది. మళ్ళీ నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ ఏమన్నాడు చూడండి. సపోజ్ ద బల్బ్ సెలెక్టెడ్ ఇన్ ద ప్రీవియస్ కేస్ ఇస్ నాట్ డిఫెక్టివ్, అంటే మనము ముందు తీసిన బల్బు డిఫెక్టివ్ కాకపోయి ఉంటే, and is not replaced, now one bulb is selected at random from the rest, what is the probability that the bulb is not defective? క్వశ్చన్ అర్థమైందా మీకు? అంటే ప్రీవియస్ కేస్ లో మనం తీసిన బల్బు డిఫెక్టివ్ బల్బ్ కాకపోతే, డిఫెక్టివ్ బల్బ్ కాదంటే ఏ బల్బ్ అది?
Good bulbs.
ఎస్, గుడ్ బల్బ్. ఓకే, తీసిన బల్బుని మళ్ళీ దీంట్లో ఇన్క్లూడ్ చేయలేదు అంటున్నాడు. అనగా 20 బల్బ్స్ ఉన్నాయి, దాంట్లో 16 ఏమో గుడ్ వన్స్ ఉన్నాయి, 4 డిఫెక్టివ్ వన్స్ ఉన్నాయి, అంతేనా?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
అయితే ఇప్పుడు ఒక బల్బ్ తీసాము, అది మంచి బల్బ్. మంచి బల్బ్ అయితే మనం రీప్లేస్ చేయలేదు. రీప్లేస్ చేయకపోతే టోటల్ బల్బ్స్ 19, గుడ్ వన్స్ 15, డిఫెక్టివ్ 4 ఉంటాయి మన దగ్గర, అవునా?
Yes, sir.
సో వాట్ ఈస్ ద ప్రాబిలిటీ దట్ ద బల్బ్ ఈజ్ నాట్ డిఫెక్టివ్ అన్నాడు. ఇప్పుడు చెప్పండి ఆన్సర్ ఏమైనా రావాలి మనకి.
15/20,
Sir,
sir.
ద ప్రాబబిలిటీ.
sir, I did not understand, sir.
ఓకే, okay, read the question once. Second question, second part you read, ma.
Suppose the bulb drawn in previous case, it is not defective and it is not replaced. Now one bulb is drawn at random from the rest. What is the probability that this bulb is not defective?
What is the meaning of it?
Yes, sir, I did not understand, sir.
క్వశ్చన్ ఇచ్చాడు కదా, ఆ మీనింగ్ అడిగాను. సపోజ్ వన్ బల్బ్ ఈస్ సెలెక్టెడ్.
Bulb is
సపోజ్ ద బల్బ్ ఈస్ సెలెక్టెడ్ ఇన్ ద ప్రీవియస్ కేస్ ఇస్ నాట్ డిఫెక్టివ్ అన్నాడు. నాట్ డిఫెక్టివ్
not
మీన్స్ గుడ్
replaced.
బల్బ్ కదా. ఎస్.
Yes, sir.
ఇప్పుడు మన దగ్గర డిఫెక్టివ్ బల్బ్ ఉంది, గుడ్ బల్బ్ ఉంది, అవునా? రెండే బల్బ్స్ ఉన్నాయి మన దగ్గర, అంతకంటే ఏం లేవు కదా.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు మన దగ్గర ఉన్నటువంటి టోటల్ బల్బ్స్ 20, దాంట్లో గుడ్ వన్స్ 16, డిఫెక్టివ్ వన్స్ 4, ఇంతే కదా.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు దీంట్లో నుంచి ఒక మంచి బల్బు తీసాం మనం. ఒక మంచి బల్బు వి హావ్ టేకెన్. ఓకే,
Yes, sir.
అండ్ నాట్ రీప్లేస్డ్ తీసాం కానీ మళ్ళీ రీప్లేస్ చేయలేదు.
Oh, okay, sir.
అప్పుడు మంచి బల్బులు ఎన్ని ఉంటాయి? 15 ఉంటాయి కదా.
Yes, sir.
డిఫెక్టివ్ వన్స్ ఎన్ని ఉంటాయి?
4.
ఈ రెండు కలిపితే టోటల్ బల్బ్స్ కదా.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
19 బల్బ్స్ ఉంటాయి టోటల్ గా. దాంట్లో గుడ్ వన్స్ 15, డిఫెక్టివ్ వన్స్ 4.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ఇది ప్రజెంట్ సిచ్యువేషన్. ఇప్పుడు క్వశ్చన్ ఏం అడిగాడంటే ద ప్రాబిలిటీ ఆఫ్ నాట్ గెట్టింగ్ ఎ డిఫెక్టివ్ బల్బ్. నాట్ గెట్టింగ్ డిఫెక్టివ్ అంటే అర్థం ఏంటి? ఇట్ షుడ్ బి ఏ
Good bulbs.
గుడ్ బల్బ్.
15/19, sir. Answer.
నాట్ గెట్టింగ్ డిఫెక్టివ్, ఇది అర్థం చేసుకోండి. నాట్ గెట్టింగ్ డిఫెక్టివ్ అంటే ఖరాబ్ అయిన బల్బు రాకూడదు. అంటే ఏ బల్బు రావాలి?
Good bulb, sir.
Good bulb.
మంచి బల్బు అంటే మంచిగా వెలిగేటువంటి బల్బు కావాలి. హౌ మెనీ గుడ్ బల్బ్స్ వి హావ్?
15.
సో 15 బై టోటల్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ అవుట్కమ్స్ 19 ఓన్లీ. 19 బల్బ్స్ ఉన్నాయి,
19.
ఎందుకంటే ఒక బల్బు తీసాము, రీప్లేస్ చేయలేదు మనం, అవునా?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ఓకే, right? Clear now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
One good bulb is taken and not replaced. So we have 15 good bulbs, 4 defective bulbs. So total 19 bulbs. Copy this.
Completed, sir.
Not, sir, not completed. Sir. Completed, sir.
Okay, what is the next question? And I will give you 5 minutes time. Try to solve the next question. After that, I will explain.
Sir, explain 10th one, sir. Not understanding.
Okay. For you, ma? For you getting? You understood that question?
First one 9 by 10, sir.
Okay.
Is it correct, sir?
Correct only.
Second one 1 by 10, sir. A perfect number is.
Okay.
A number divisible by 5 is 1 by 5.
Okay. Okay, now we will see this question. So, what is the question? Read one. Anyone?
A box contains 90 discs which are numbered from 1 to 90. If one disc is
Okay.
drawn at random from the box, find the probability that is theirs.
Okay. A box contains 90 discs, which are numbered from 1 to 90. For example, a box is there. In that box, we have disc. Disc means CD, like that. Okay.
Sir, board is not clear, sir.
Sir, board is not clear.
Now,
Okay, sir, it is clear.
so like that up to they have numbered.
90.
So 8,
90.
9, 10, and so on
90.
up to some 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, and 90. So total number of discs how many?
90 discs.
Yes.
90.
Right?
Yes,
Total
sir.
discs are 90. What is the first question? One disc is selected at random. Find the probability
A
of that bears a
two-digit
two-digit
number.
number. A two-digit
Two-digit.
number, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Probability of getting a two-digit number. What's the meaning of two-digit number?
Only two-digit numbers.
Yes. Two-digit number starts from
10.
yes, 10, comma, 11, comma, 12, comma, 13, 14, 15, and so on up to 90. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
These are all two-digit numbers. How many they are count? 10 నుంచి 90 వరకు ఎన్ని ఉంటాయి? కౌంట్ చేయండి. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 like that you count.
82. 88, 22.
79, sir.
79.
81 will be there.
No.
How many? 81 will be there. By total number of discs are 90. So with 9 table it is cancellation is possible. 9 9 times, 9 10 times. Count 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 like that you count. Otherwise you write the numbers and count, then you will get a clarity. Okay, what is the second question?
A perfect square number.
Yes, perfect square number. Probability of getting a perfect square.
Yes, sir. 81, sir. Total number.
Okay. Perfect squares ఏముంటాయి చెప్పండి? What is the perfect squares? 4 is a perfect square.
Yes, sir. 9.
Yes, 4,
15,
9,
16.
తర్వాత 16, 25. 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25, 6 square is 36, 7 square is 49,
64.
then 8 square is
50.
64, 9 square is 81,
70.
and 10 square is 100. 100 is more than this. 100
Yes,
మన
sir.
90 కంటే ఎక్కువైపోతుంది కాబట్టి, so these are the perfect square numbers which are favorable to us.
Yes, sir.
Then what is the probability? How many perfect squares you see? Number of favorable outcomes. Right, total.
8 by 8, sir. 8 by 90.
8 by 9.
90.
9 or 8?
8, sir.
1 square 1 also na? 1 square 1 also.
Sir.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
9,
6,
sir.
7, 8, 9. 9 by
1 by
90.
10.
1
1
by
by 10.
10.
1 by 10.
Okay, copy this. Up to here you copy.
Good digit.
Completed, sir.
Completed, sir.
Okay, one more question we have, right?
Yes, sir.
Probability of
Number
getting
division
multiples of
by 5.
5. What are the multiples of 5?
5, 10,
5, 5, 10, 15, 20,
20,
25, 30,
30, 35, 40,
35,
45,
40,
55,
45, 50,
Yes.
55,
5, 10, 15, 20,
20, 25,
30,
30,
35,
35,
40,
40, 45,
45,
50,
50,
55,
55, 60,
60,
65,
65,
20,
70,
25,
75,
75,
80,
80,
85,
85,
and 90.
90. Yes, sir, that's all.
That's all. How many they are?
1, 2, 3.
18, sir.
Sir.
8,
Okay, write the
18 by
formula
90.
completely.
18 by 90.
So cancellation one time and 5 times.
5 times.
1 by 5.
Yes, 1 by 5 is the answer for this question.
Okay, sir.
Copy this.
Completed, sir.
Completed, sir.
What is the next question?
Suppose you drop a die at random on the rectangular region shown in figure. What is the probability that it will land inside the circle with diameter
Diameter.
1 meter?
Okay. Okay, here we have a diagram here. Some diagram is there.
Yes, sir.
Circle.
So this is a rectangle and its length is 3 meter and breadth is 2 meter.
2
And we have
meters.
a circle too. Its diameter is 1 meter, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Okay, listen. Given length of a rectangle,
3 meters.
3 meters, sir.
breadth
2 meters, sir.
find out the area. What is the area of a rectangle formula? Tell me.
Side into side.
Side
L into
into
B, sir.
side.
Breadth,
Length into
length into
breadth.
6, sir.
3 to the 6.
Yes, sir.
This is clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next, given diameter. Diameter of a circle. How much given? 1 meter.
1 meter.
Radius is nothing but half of the diameter.
0.5.
1 by 2 or 0.5.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Find out the area of a circle too. What is the formula for area of a circle? Pi r square. Pi means 22 by 7. Radius is
Yes, sir.
1 by 2 square.
1 by 2.
Square.
I am doing the calculation here. 22 by
22
7
into 1 by
1
4.
by
2
2
1 by 2.
into 1 by okay.
1 by 4.
Into 1 by 2. Sir.
1 by
Okay,
4.
1 by 4 directly also you can write, or you can write 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 two times.
1 by 2. Yes, sir.
Okay, cancellation is possible. 2 twos are 2 11 times, right?
11 times.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
11 by 14. 7 twos are 14.
40. Yes, sir.
This is the area of a circle. Now he's asking,
Pi r.
okay, what we are doing, we are rolling a die. We are rolling a die.
Die.
Yes. So if you roll a die, it may be placed here, or it may be placed here, or it may be placed inside the circle. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
We are throwing, simply throwing. It may stop here, or it may stop here, it may stop here, or anywhere in this region. So now the question is, what is the probability that will land inside the circle? Probability of die landing inside the circle.
Sir.
What is the probability formula? Tell me.
Number of favorable
Total
outcomes by
number of total number of outcomes.
Okay. Number of favorable outcomes by
total
Total
number of outcomes.
outcomes.
total number of outcomes, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what is the favorable outcomes to us? Circle is the favorable outcome for us, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So what is the area of a circle? 11 by 14.
11 by 14.
Area of a circle is 11 by 14. Area of a total outcome is area of a rectangle.
6.
Okay. Up to here you copy.
Okay, sir.
You will see the simplification.
Copied, sir.
Completed everyone?
Yes,
No,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Now we see here.
Yes, sir.
So it is looking like a fraction by fraction.
Yes, sir.
So if you take 6 by 1, it becomes 1 by 6. For example, nothing is there in the denominator means you have to assume it is 1. So
1.
denominator is fraction is going to numerator, it becomes reverse. 1 by 6. 6 by 1 becomes 1 by 6. So 11 into 1 is nothing but 11. 14 into 6 is nothing but 84. The final answer
84.
is 11 by 84. So this is a final answer, right?
Yes, sir.
Question number 12 is for your homework. Question number 12 question is there. That is your
Yes,
homework
sir.
question. Complete that question and come tomorrow. Copy this.
Okay, sir.
Copied, sir.
Completed, sir.
Okay, good. So complete that homework question and come tomorrow. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay then. Bye.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.